Hello, dear veterinarian. Welcome to Dr. Vet channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel. Today we see the short questions like question bank on part 7 in the subject livestock production and management. Question 1. Instrument for detection of specific gravity of milk. Important question and famous instrument is lactometer that decides or determine the specific gravity of milk, and indirectly we can detect the adulteration of water in the milk. Question 2. Milk production of India. Answer is annual milk production of India is 146.3 million tons annually. Question 3. Colostrum immunoglobulin that gives immunity and protection to calf. Important question. Colostrum feeding is very important to the calf and it must be given within 2 hours, 10% of the body weight for about 5 days. This colostrum immunoglobulin gives protection against bacterial and viral diseases, and important one is polybacillosis. Here the answer is important immunoglobulin in colostrum that protects the calf is immunoglobulin A. Question 4. Docking is common practice in dog breed. Which dog breed? Important question and famous question. The answer is in Doberman breed of the dog, the common practice to perform the docking. Question 5. Name the pig breed with highest feed conversion efficiency. Important question. The saddleback breed, which has the highest feed conversion efficiency. This breed is very large, lop-eared, means ears are drooped. Deep-bodied pig, the body is very large and deep. The sows weigh about 270 kilogram and boars weigh about 320 kilogram. Question 6. Use of rennet. The answer is important question. The rennet separates milk into solid sweet curd and liquid whey. It is used for making dahi and used for the cheese making also. The rennet produces sweet curd and it is used in the production of most cheeses. So this is important question. Question 7. What are the water soluble vitamins? Important question. The answer is ascorbic acid, also known as vitamin C, and vitamin B complex group. In vitamin B complex group, the several vitamins are thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, folacin, vitamin B12, biotin, and pantothenic acid. Question 8. Origin of Badwari buffaloes. The Badwari buffaloes is also known as Etawah buffaloes. The origin of which are This Badwari buffalo or Etawah buffalo are the dual type buffalo breed of central and northern India. Bhind and Morena district of Madhya Pradesh and Agra and Etawah district of the Uttar Pradesh. Question 9. Exotic breed of cattle which has heat tolerating capacity. Important question. The answer is Jersey breed. And because of this heat tolerating capacity of Jersey breed, this animal become suitable for crossbreeding in India, and Jersey crossbreeding has got more success in India than other breed. Question 10. Breed of buffalo with highest fat percent. The answer is Badwari buffalo. Question 11. Quantity of fat present in hump of a single humped camel. Important question. The average 30 kilogram of fat in a hump. But a camel hump can store up to 36 kilogram of fat and sustain the camel for weeks and even months without food. So this fat act as a food store. This camel fat is loaded with fatty acids, vitamins and minerals. So this fat in hump is important food storage. Question 12. Domestic animal which shows more perspiration. Important question. Answer is horse. Question 13. How to make a sour curd or khatta dahi? The sweet curd we have seen that is made by adding the rennet. But khatta dahi can be prepared by adding more culture to the warm milk and keeping that mixture out for a long time after it is set. By keeping it out of refrigerator for about 5 to 4 to 5 hours. More period we keep outside, more the dahi will be khatta or sour. Question 14. Pheromones. What is pheromones? Answer. Pheromones are chemical signals for communication between members of the same species. It is useful for communication, important. The pheromones are detected by mostly the sense of smell. Question 15. Use of pheromones in mammals. The answer is the pheromones assist in reproduction, feeding also, social interaction, and maternal and neonatal bonding. Generally, we know that only it assists in reproduction, but it has several purposes: feeding, social interaction, and maternal neonatal bonding. Question 16. What is the temperature and time for pasteurization of milk? The temperature 63 degrees centigrade or 145 degrees Fahrenheit maintained for 30 minutes or more temperature, heating to a higher temperature, 72 degrees centigrade for 100 or 162 degrees Fahrenheit, and holding for 15 seconds. So here principle is there, higher the temperature, lesser is the time period. Question 17. Quantity of milk feeding daily up to the first 15 days to a calf. Important question. The quantity of feeding milk daily 10% of the body weight up to the 15 days to a calf. Then after 50 days we can start calf starter. Question 80. Frequency of shearing of sheep in India. The answer is generally twice or thrice shearing. The twice shearing in places other than Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir, or thrice shearing in Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir. Question 19. What is pseudo-ruminants? We know that ruminant has four stomachs, rumen, reticulum, omesum. But pseudo-ruminants are an animal that eats large amount of roughages but does not have a four compartment stomach like ruminants. Question 20. Pashmina wool. It is also called as Pashmina fiber. Pashmina is not a wool, it is a fiber of a goat, but sometimes it is uttered as Pashmina wool. The answer is goats shed their winter coat. That coat hair is called as Pashmina. It sheds this hair every spring, and this is the molting season. There is natural shedding of the hair. One goat shed 80 to 170 gram of fiber, and which regrows in the winter. Question 21. Age of initiation of feeding calf starter. Earlier we have seen up to the 15 days we can give milk to the calf at the rate of 10% of the body weight. But after 15 days we can start calf starter. Question 22. Nagori cattle breed utility. What is its importance? Answer. Nagori breed are very good draught cattle of the northwest India. It is a draught cattle. Question 23. Use of phosphatase test in pasteurization process. Answer is important question. The alkaline phosphatase is an enzyme naturally present in all raw milk. This enzyme is used as an indicator of proper milk pasteurization because the heat stability of alkaline phosphatase is greater than that of pathogen. So presence of ALP in milk suggests that pasteurization is not proper. If there is no ALP, that suggests that all pathogens are killed. Question 24. Name of bunch of pigs or a group of pigs. Answer is a group of young pigs is called as litter. A group of hawks called as a paschal or a team. A group of swine is called as a sounder. Last question 25. Eve and her lamb recognize each other by the Eve and lamb recognize each other by their voice. The sound made by sheep is technically termed as bleat or bleating. Dear vets, requested to forward this information to veterinarians to enrich their information, and to support this channel requested to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much for observing this video. Next time we'll come with more 25 short questions for competitive examination. Thanks.